Welcome to Nottingham College. My name is Abad and this is our Highfield campus, and this is where all the engineering takes place. Now is an example where students can actually program a robot and they can learn to program it. It can do all sorts of things. You can make it to jump, you can make it to kick, you can dance with it. This robot itself has got the battery unit, the motherboard, the camera sensor at the front, the ultrasonic sensor at the front, and then if you look under it, you've got this little circuit. This is pretty much the basic understanding of how lane detection sensor works. The first ever Mars mission that we did, this robot is more powerful than that robot. And this is all programmed in-house by our student. And also, everything you see in terms of the chassis is all 3D printed or laser cut at the Highfield campus.